Hi, I'm going to show you my elf makeup clutch. So I'm sorry for the mess here. So let's get started. It's like first um, eyeshadows, brushes, and the blush, brown blush, lip gloss, eye eyebrow powder, and eyebrow cream. So my favorite eyeshadow color is violet, violet, and blue.